In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up old uncleared transactions in QuickBooks Online. When your books start showing a lot of old uncleared items, it can be confusing and make your reports look inaccurate. These are usually checks, payments, or deposits that never finished the process or were recorded incorrectly. Cleaning them up helps your bank balance and your register line up with reality, which is essential for accurate bookkeeping and easier reconciliations. Let's walk through how to review and update those transactions in a clear, methodical way. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look for the Settings option. This is usually represented by a small gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is simply the list of all your accounts in QuickBooks, like bank accounts, credit cards, and other ledgers. Next, locate the specific account where the uncleared transactions are sitting. This might be a checking account, a savings account, or a credit card account, depending on what you're reviewing. Once you find the right account in the list, move across to the Action column and select View Register. This opens up the account register, which shows you every transaction recorded for that account. Now you'll review and update the status of those transactions. In the register, look for the transaction you want to clean up. When you find it, look at the column that shows a small check mark or status symbol. Click directly in that column. Here is where you can control whether a transaction is marked as cleared, reconciled, or not cleared. If the transaction has gone through the bank but just wasn't marked correctly, change its status to C, which stands for cleared. If it has already been reconciled as part of a completed bank reconciliation, set it to R for reconciled. If you determine that the transaction has not cleared the bank and should not be marked as such, leave the field blank. Take your time here and only change the status when you are confident it matches your bank records. Once you've updated the status, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save option at the bottom of the register line and select it. This ensures that QuickBooks records your update and your register status stays in sync with your actual bank activity.